Hello, and thank you for watching this video. When you are ready to use the output from MyRouteOnline, there are multiple options. If, for example, you need an Excel spreadsheet of your route, you can click Save and Export and then Export Routes. This will export the route set to a spreadsheet that contains many useful details about your routes, including the list of addresses, route numbers, stop numbers, service time, comments, and more. The Excel workbook will contain a sheet that has routes combined and also a single sheet for each route in the set. There is also a totals page where you can see the total time and mileage for each route. Another option is to export an individual CSV file for each route in the set. Do this by clicking the three dots and then Export Route on the route line in the Routes tab. Keep in mind that this CSV file will contain almost all the same information as the Excel spreadsheet, with the exception of the comments. If you need your imported comments in the output, use the Save and Export link right here. When you are ready to distribute the final output to your drivers, there are a couple of ways to do this. The first would be to print the output and distribute paper copies of the map and route list. You can do this by clicking Save and Export and then Print and Directions. When you get to the map page, you have multiple options for how you want to print the route. You can print all of the routes on one page, or select a single route to print by clicking the drop-down menu up here. You can include the stops list or the directions by using these checkboxes. You can also zoom in or out on the map for more or less detail when printing. In addition to printing the route, you have the option of emailing the route to yourself or your drivers. Again, by clicking Save and Export, you can open the menu and choose Email for navigation and tracking. In the email window, you can add one or more recipients to the email. To turn on delivery tracking for this route, check the box here. After the email is sent, it can be opened on a smartphone and used in various ways. Please have a look at our user guides for more information about this. When there are multiple routes on a map, it's often desirable to email only an individual route. You can email an individual route by clicking the email icon on the route line in the Routes tab. Another method for getting routes to delivery drivers is by printing a QR code. This is a very handy tool if, for example, you're hosting a fundraiser and don't know who your delivery drivers will ultimately be. You can print a QR code for each route, and your drivers can scan the code with a QR app on their smartphones. After scanning the QR code, a URL will be created on the phone. Tapping the link will give options such as downloading our free MyRouteOnline app and then opening the route with the app. Another way of getting the route URL to a smartphone is to use this link to generate the URL. You can then either email or text the link to the individual that needs the route. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding more about using the output from MyRouteOnline. If you have additional questions, please consult our user guides or email us at support@myrouteonline.com. Thank you for watching.